the creations of your hands, your hands. Take a look at the earth, they are your divine perfect plan. They are your plan. Take a look at the waters, the creations that dwelling in it. Look at the sky, they speak of your wonders, declaring you are amazing, God. Baba, you are amazing, God. You are amazing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ope. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. So today Mary is my model. Mary is a makeup artist. She's known as Mavel Beauty and she's super flawless. I love their makeup. I love their face from the first day I saw her, and I'm like, I have to do your makeup. So yeah, she's here being my muse. Today I'm going to create this skin glowy look. I just wanted her to look flawless and like she was glowing from within, so I went in with the illuminator. I went in with a dewy foundation, a dewy primer, everything. So yeah, the highlighting and contouring was basic, simple, you know. I just tried to bring more life into her face and lights and everything. You guys know the drill. So yeah, let me not bore you guys with too much talking. If you need in-depth tutorial, there's a tutorial on my page called a bomb makeup tutorial. That place I broke down in that video, I broke down highlighting and contouring. So yeah, let me know if you guys want another video, even though my techniques have not really changed, because it works. Why fix something that's not broken? Yes. Look at that blend, guys. You have to put in the work. Oh, if you know you cannot blend, please don't do cream contouring. It's not for the faint-hearted. So you should be able to put in the several minutes of blending. Look at that. Ooh, yes, girl. So you guys know, setting it, baking it, doing the whole jazz. I'm hyper this night. Bear with me. So for a reverse contour, I went in with a translucent powder because number one, is easier to dust off and doesn't really add too much color because obviously it's translucent. So it's easier to just sharply dust off. I don't want to have that white streak line that you see on people's cheeks because they do not dust off their reverse contouring. That's why I went in with a translucent powder, in case you're wondering why it's different. For our brows, you can see that Mary already has full brows, so I didn't really do much. I just added like tail to her brows because the tail was missing. So yeah, I just gave her some tail to her brows and a little bit of strokes here and there, and that's it. Her brows were already flawless. So because I wanted her brows to have a bit more, to look a bit more natural, I bleached it a bit or used a brow tint. It just makes it even lighter, you get. So obviously concealing and all, then we move to the eyes. Yeah. So for the eyes, I prepping it with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in 03, just tapping it, and then I went in with the Nuban Beauty Wishes eyeshadow palette. I chose this palette because I really love the colors inside. It's really subtle and nice, and it doesn't fall out or anything. I did a lead color first because I didn't want to go ham on the transition color. I don't know if you understand me. I wanted it to look very lightweight, so yeah, that's why I went with the lead first. So yeah, moving on to skin. You guys know the drill now. Don't let me bore you guys with my voice. Oh, okay. The bottom lash line, I really went in with the smoking. Like, I went in. I did the first gel pencil, the pencil line. I mean, the first pencil. Then I smoked it out with black, and then I smoked it out with a transition color. So I went heavy on the lower lash line because I knew I was not going to put any liner on the top lash line. I hope you guys understand what I mean.
Look at the sky, they speak of your wonders, declaring you are amazing, God. You are amazing, God. You are amazing, God. You are amazing, God. There is no one to compare to you, to you. There is no one to compete with you, no, no. All of creation declare that you are beautiful, you're beautiful.
For the first lip choice, I went with this, my customized lip palette. It just has a bunch of lipsticks. I don't know their name anymore. Yeah, so I just did this like pale pink. I wanted it to look like fleshy color nude. Yeah, that was the first lip. And of course we went gloss. Still in the hopes of making her dewy. This is the third spray I'm going in with, just to take off the powder and make her look shiny. I added false beauty spots, beauty marks, and I love it. I added 3, 1 on this side and 2 on the other side. She looks flawless. For the second lip choice, I went darker. Let's just put it that way. I wanted this ombre purple and pink, so I used my Candy Yum Yum by MAC after 100 years. Yeah, so this is the end of the makeup tutorial, guys. I hope you guys love it. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment, and yeah, that's about it. See you guys in my next video. Kisses, peace out.